So I'm Rhylan, and I look after the sales team here at ThermoSphere. Chef at somewhere that specialised in barbecued meats. Cooking, you probably guessed that one. Cooking and music. Something that helped people spell people's names right, especially when they're sending an email to them and they've already spelt the email address right. Pet peeve there. Love trying stuff new, so adventurous, fun, and I love learning stuff as well, so love learning.
I'll let you have that one.
Thanks. I think it would go into property. Seems to be where the ROI is.
And outside of the sales,
Oh,
Rhylie?
you can't take me out of that. It might go towards setting up some kind of restaurant-y thing, like link back to the head chef bit. It's like a long time off. Can you come back to me in 20 years?
Okay, done.
Can we get a shot of the woke thing? Like the whole trend around woke. Oh, there's probably got a better word for it, but that does my head in. And it'd be quite nice to actually get a shot of that, because I actually think it's more damaging than meets the eye. Stops people being themselves. Ooh, trying to pinpoint it down to a favourite meal. Meat. Barbecued meat. It'd be quite cool to see Churchill. I don't know whether... He's probably not so much into the food as much as the drink. Yeah, Churchill would be quite interesting to meet. I'd quite like to see whether Boris Johnson is the same as he is on camera as he is in real life. That'd be quite interesting. And also, if you go over to America, I was quite interested in things like Ben Carson, what he's accomplished. It'd be quite interesting to get them in the same room. Don't know what sort of mealtime it'd make for. Leave that one on the table, I think. I love cricket. It's a technical game, which I like, but also doesn't involve too much moving around. So that's always a benefit. I can't really pin it down because it does vary, but some of the more common ones, people like Toto and Earth, Wind and Fire, I really like their stuff. And outside of that, probably a little bit less well-known, people like Cody Fry, Ole Borad, I think that's how you say it, correct me if I'm wrong.
I think so as well, but I'm not sure.
I love travelling, and it probably goes back to the trying and learning new stuff, because what I find when you travel is it really opens your eyes as to the way different people do different stuff. So yeah, love travelling, and we'll take any opportunity to travel. Any opportunity, that is. The suspense, come on.
Camera rolling.
Is this the quickfire one?
This is the quick fire.
Help.